Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna show you my coloring pages for the month of April. I've colored 21 pages and I'm really happy. I've started with a very difficult page in my Disney Dreams collection by Thomas Kincaid Studios, and I've colored the Beauty and the Beast. So as a first layer I've used my watercolor here for the ground and the Inktense pencils for the sky and the flowers, and then I've colored with my Prismacolor Premier, my acrylic markers from RTX and my Morandi pens. But I have something very important to tell you about the Morandi pens. If you want to use a fixative or a varnish, be careful because the Morandi pens, they are not waterproof. They will blend, they will fade if you use a fixative above it. So you fix your page before and then you use your Morandi pens, because it was really annoying for me to do again this step. And it was very difficult because I spent 7 weeks on this page and I've colored 3-4 times a week on this page. It was very difficult. I'm very happy about the result and I've made everything I could, so I'm really happy about it. And you can see the birds, they were only done with my Morandi pens. It is so tiny. When you color very teeny tiny details like this, it is very difficult. And this year the studio Thomas Kincaid, they will release 2 new books, one with houses and another one with Disney. But inside the new Disney one you will have so teeny tiny details inside, so be careful and think about it before buying a book like this, because it is so tiny. It is annoying to color so teeny tiny details like this, and I've used my Morandi for that. But I'm very happy about this page. I'm happy about the result. For the next page it will be this one, because you know I've colored this one, this one, this one, and this one, of course, and the next page will be this one. I don't know if I will make this one, but it's a little bit too difficult for me. I will think about it, but you know what, I color only once a year in this book. I will see that next year. Next, I've colored a little postal card in my Mickey Taikei coloring book. Inside you have 16 postal cards and I've colored this one. So here is my version and here is the reference. My versions are always brighter, so for this one I've used my watercolor and then I've used my artist's pencils from Derwent. I do not recommend you these pencils. They are very harsh and they are not very pigmented, but in this case I like to use them. I've also used my Morandi pens and that's it. Then I've colored in my Botanicum from Maria Troll and I've colored this page. The background is watercolor. I've used my Imaginor colored pencils from Coloria. I've used my acrylic markers from RTX and also my acrylic markers from Morandi, and I've also used a little bit of Inktense pencils, and that's it. A little bit of fine liner for the eyes and also my Morandi pens here. And that's it. I didn't want to work a lot on this page, so I'm happy. Then I've colored in my Gnomes in the Neighborhood by Denise Klett, and I've colored a very fun page. I've colored this one with my Colorsoft pencils. For the background it is watercolor. I've used my acrylic markers from RTX. I've used pearlescent watercolors, some gel pens, glitter gel pens, my Morandi pens. It was really fun to make another page in this book. I hope I will have time soon to go again in this book. Then I've colored a page in my Peter Pan coloring book and I've colored a double spread. I've colored these pages only with gouache for the background, and it is a tutorial. I will put the link in the description box for the background. And for Peter Pan it is a PBO acrylic paint and I've used some oil pastels for the wind, and that's it. Then I've colored in my new coloring book from Julia Zhang. I've made a video on my French channel if you want to see inside this book. I will put the link in the description box. It is a Korean book and I'm so happy. They are very good quality. Look, it is the best quality. Hear this. The paper is so thick. It's heaven to color on this page. So I've colored this little portrait of Anne, and I've changed a little bit the colors. I've used my light fast pencils and my artist pencils from Derwent just to blend the light fast. And I've used my Morandi pens for the eyes and for the teeth, and that's it. It was a pleasure to color on this page. Yeah, I really love these books. And you will see in my video about this book, I've bought another book. I've bought The Little Princess also. So go check it out because these books are very good quality. Then I've colored in 2 little Amazon books. I've colored this title page inside the Mystic Misfits from White Stag, so it is only watercolored, some stickers, the Super Golden from Lightwish, and that's it. Then I've made this one with the stickers, and I've colored 2 pages, and this book will be finished next month. So you will have a video about this book, and you will have another video about the Imagimorphia from Kaby Rozan. So for this page, I've used my watercolor for the background. I've used the first layer of alcohol markers from Coloria for the girl, and then my Chroma Flow pencils and some stickers and washi tape. And I've also used my Morandi pens, and that's it. And it is the same material for this page, the same medium. It is my watercolor, my alcohol markers, and my Chroma Flow pencils, some gel pens, and some stickers. And that's it. Next, in my Spooky Girl, I've colored 2 pages. I've colored this page with my alcohol markers from Coloria. I've used some really cheap acrylic markers from Action, and that's it. So it was only cheap medium on this page, and it was really fun to make this page. On this page, it was my alcohol markers for the girl, my Derwent charcoal palette for the shadows, and for the background it was my Boku Undo palette and some acrylic markers from my shop Action, and that's it, and a little bit of gel pens, and that's it for this page. It was really fun to make these pages while I was also coloring on my Thomas Kincaid page. Then I will show you my Disney pages. So I've made these 4 bookmarks. They come from the Mickey & Co, and I've made mini. The background is always watercolor. I've put some ink pads on the outside, and I've used some stickers, my Morandi pens, some inks in the background to make some drops, and on this one it was a foil paper. It's a scrapbook paper with some stickers. Again for this one is like this, and this one. I really like sometimes to make some bookmarks like this. Then I will show you my color by number pages. I've colored in this one the Magical Squares Babies from Disney, and I've colored several pages. I've colored this one. I always make crosses inside, and this double spread. I really like this kind of pages. Then in my Japanese coloring book, I've colored this page. Yeah, I've only colored this one. And then in my Tome 1, Les Grands Classiques Disney, I've colored 1 page. I hope I will finish this book soon, but I don't color a lot inside. I've made this one, and I have to buy other markers because some of them are dry. I have to buy some new paint artists from Faber-Castell. So that's it. And then finally I've colored in my Mickey, Donald & Co, and I've colored 1 page, and you will see my marker was dry, so yeah, here it was dry, so it's not really beautiful, but I don't care. And that's it for all my pages. I was very happy to color inside my Kincaid coloring book. I hope you had a great month of coloring, and I hope you have some fun, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye bye!